Upbeat music plays. Welcome back to Buy Smart. Today, we're diving into the electrifying world of power supplies. On our left, we have the Cooler Master MWE Gold 850 volts 2, and on our right, the NZXT C750 PSU. Let's see which one deserves a spot in your rig. Let's kick things off with price. The Cooler Master MWE Gold 850 V2 comes in at $99, which many reviewers found to be an excellent deal for its performance. One user even mentioned that it was cheaper than a night out and provided great satisfaction. On the other hand, the NZXT C750 costs $129. Reviewers appreciate the quality and features, but some wonder if that extra $30 is justified. It's like choosing between a regular taco and one with extra guac. Next, let's talk modularity. Both the Cooler Master and NZXT C750 are fully modular. Reviewers of the Cooler Master praise it for reducing clutter and improving airflow, while the NZXT C750's black-sleeved cables are noted for their aesthetic appeal. One reviewer mentioned that the NZXT's cables were a bit rigid, making management tricky, but overall, both options allow for a clean setup, with the Cooler Master being slightly more favored for its simplicity. Now let's get hot. The Cooler Master handles temperatures up to 50 degrees Celsius, which is appreciated by users who push their PCs hard. Reviewers have reported no overheating issues, even under heavy load. Meanwhile, the NZXT C750 is praised for its low thermal dissipation optimization and high-quality components, making it the cool customer in the room. Users describe it as the James Bond of PSUs, steady and reliable. When it comes to efficiency, the NZXT C750 takes the lead with a power conversion efficiency that exceeds the 80+ gold standard at 50% load. Reviewers commend it for being an overachiever in this aspect. The Cooler Master, while slightly behind, still delivers reliable performance without draining your wallet. It's like that dependable friend who shows up to help you move. Always there when you need it. Lastly, let's discuss fan technology. The Cooler Master features a 120mm hydrodynamic fan that reviewers say runs quietly, making it ideal for gaming sessions. Users appreciate the silent operation. The NZXT C750 also boasts quiet performance, with one reviewer calling it a ninja in their PC. Both power supplies keep noise levels down, ensuring you can focus on your game without distractions. In summary, both the Cooler Master MWE Gold 850 volts 2 and the NZXT C750 PSU have their strengths. Reviewers generally find the Cooler Master to be a great value with solid performance, while the NZXT is praised for its efficiency and aesthetics. The choice depends on your specific needs and budget. After all this electrifying comparison, which power supply is the real MVP? If you're on a budget, the Cooler Master MWE Gold 850 V2 is your best bet. But if you want a fancier option, the NZXT C750 might be right for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description.